In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to get a month of social media posts and take that list and turn it into a social media calendar in about a minute. Let's start by cutting and pasting the prompt into ChatGPT. I will have this prompt in the description below. You can customize for your own business. Next, I'm going to copy and paste the results into a Google Sheets document. Now I'm going to take all of the content ideas and cut and paste them into a book creator's planner tool so that I can create the social media calendar. I'm going to start by loading the social media calendar settings that I've already saved previously. Then I'm going to be using 11 by 8.5 link. That looks really nice when you're trying to do a social media calendar. And I'm going to copy the daily prompts and add social media calendar for the prompt that I'm going to put at the bottom, and then I do a refresh. And now I have my social media calendar, and I can just click on download and download the calendar. And here it is, final calendar. If you have any questions about this video, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Your journey to crafting journals, planners, logbooks, and more starts here. Get going now with a free 3-day trial at abookcreator.com.